How to add music on Messenger Notes. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So adding music on Messenger Notes is a new feature of Messenger. So you have to have the updated version of Messenger if you want to add music to your notes. So first, simply open your Play Store, search for Messenger, get the updated version. After that, open Messenger and then tap on this your note sharing icon. Here, after you have gotten the installed the updated version, an option of music will also appear and easily you can post it. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.